how to correctly use Lemon Squeezy. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can correctly use Lemon Squeezy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is visit the official Lemon Squeezy website. Over here, sign up for an account using your email or log in with your Google or Twitter account. After that, confirm your email address by checking your inbox. Over here, verify your email and then you'll be redirected to the setup page. Then, provide the necessary details such as your store name, store URL, and country. After entering the details, click on Create Store. Over here, you'll need to set up your business details, verify your identity, and configure your store settings. Then navigate through the left side menu to manage products, discounts, and email campaigns. After that, you can go to the design section to customize your store's appearance, such as uploading a logo, selecting a theme, and adjusting colors. Finally, enable additional tools like integrations and email marketing to maximize your Lemon Squeezy experience. So that's how you can correctly use Lemon Squeezy. That's all for this video.